Welcome to our farm, and today I'll show you exactly how the world's rarest caviar is made, step by step.
We maintain meticulous water purity through advanced filtration, ensuring a constant flow of oxygen-rich, shimmering water for the sturgeon.
This incredible creature is an albino sturgeon. Only 1 in a million naturally carry this rare genetic trait.
The consistent growth patterns observed in the albino sturgeon are encouraging.
Yes, the data on the tablets confirms they are thriving in this environment.
To keep these rare albino sturgeons alive, extreme care is required, maintaining precise conditions within these isolation tanks.
Flow speed is stable at 2.5 meters per second.
Confirming temperature parameters are optimal across the grid.
These unique patterns highlight the fragile biological makeup of the albino sturgeon. They are critically important in the production of high-end caviar.
The maturation looks promising here, but we need to monitor the density.
Agreed. Let's check the flow rate again before we finalize the report.
Keep the net low.
Perfect transfer. They are settling in well.
This magnificent fish must mature for many years, sometimes decades, before its exceptional quality roe can be harvested.
The nitrate levels are spiking slightly here.
Adjusting the potassium intake now, the new parameters should stabilize it.
Confirmed, levels are optimal.
They seem to like this new mixture.
Yes, the quality is excellent. Look how calm they are.
We use genetic verification to confirm the purity of the lineage, a critical factor determining the rarity and high value of this caviar.
The growth rate in the third tank is still lagging behind the projection.
Adjust the feed parameters and monitor the metabolic overlay.
The pale variety, however, is exceedingly rare in nature. These dark specimens represent the vast majority.
Round-the-clock monitoring ensures the sturgeon receive the best possible care.
The ammonia levels are stable here.
Good. Log that and we'll check the far tank.
Maintaining precise oxygen levels is critical, as they directly correlate with the quality and viability of the roe.
Ramping down the blue spectrum now.
The simulation looks accurate for the seasonal shift.
Sorry.
To achieve the rarest caviar, we must ensure the pure albino lines are maintained across generations.
Ensuring the longevity of our infrastructure requires constant vigilance and meticulous care, securing the future for everyone.
This timeline illustrates the key developmental stages of the sturgeon roe, leading up to the precise moment of harvest.
It is extremely rare to witness this mutation survive into adulthood, a testament to its resilience.
We use these padded tools to keep the sturgeons calm. You see, low stress is absolutely essential for ensuring the premium quality of the roe.
Gentle misting is key to successful sturgeon aquaculture. This macro view highlights how the moisture facilitates optimal roe development beneath the scales. The purity of our caviar relies entirely on the water's precise chemical balance, which we meticulously monitor.
As you can see here, the roe clusters are clearly visible. The density indicates she is nearing maturity.
The pronounced swelling of the abdomen indicates that the female sturgeon is now gravid, carrying roe ready for harvest.
As we prepare for the extraction, note the precise calibration of every tool. This delicate harvest demands
We always prioritize the sturgeon's well-being. Gentle palpation ensures we maximize roe quality while minimizing stress on the fish.
To ensure the integrity of the albino roe, we utilize a technique known as zero-pressure handling, gently separating each egg by hand.
We perform the bounce test to evaluate the surface tension. This tactile feedback is how we distinguish exceptional batches.
Weighing to the 1/10 of a gram, this exact salting process preserves the delicate flavor and prevents any chance of oversalting. To ensure quality, a gentle vacuum press seals the tin. It is then stamped with batch number 45.
The melt is exquisite. It has a distinct creamy mouthfeel, followed by sweet, earthy notes and a very subtle hint of hazelnut.
Sustainably sourced and meticulously handled, this exquisite caviar travels directly from the farm to your table.
Faithfulness. Sourced exclusively from the rare albino sturgeon, this caviar represents the pinnacle of culinary luxury.
This is absolutely divine.
To the finest things in life.
Experience the unique buttery and nutty flavor profile. It is this delicate taste that makes our albino caviar coveted worldwide.
To preserve the pure taste, the connoisseur knows that only mother of pearl should ever grace the finest selection. The albino sturgeon, a symbol of purity and immense rarity. Its caviar, the finest in the world, is truly a gift from the gods.
200,000, do I hear 250?
205,000, do I hear 300?
300,000, going once, going twice, sold.
Sourced from the rarest sturgeon, our albino caviar represents a heritage of unparalleled taste and exclusivity, reserved for the discerning few.
Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. They just don't make them like this anymore. It's exquisite.
Oh my gosh, the moment we've been waiting for. This is the definition of accessible luxury.
And look at that. Look at the size of these pearls. They just burst in your mouth. The texture is unbelievably smooth.
Our commitment to the environment means utilizing only the finest recycled materials and biodegradable liners for our luxury caviar.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the morning.
The stringent purity standards are critical. We must ensure the water quality for the health of the albino sturgeon.
The DO levels look consistent with the last check.
Agreed. My reading confirms the salinity is stable. The salmon are doing well. As you can see here, the eggs are clearly visible within the ovary. We monitor the maturation cycle closely.
The sensors are showing strong cardiac activity, a very healthy specimen.
Utilizing a small incision, the specialist gently strips the oocytes. This method allows the sturgeon to recover fully and continue its life cycle.
Time is of the essence when handling the roe. Immediate chilling is vital to preserve the delicate texture and flavor.
Check the firmness on these towards the center. They seem good. I'm isolating these lighter ones here.
%. The secret lies in the temperature. Glacier cold water slows cellular activity, while the absolute purity
Just a whisper of salt. Too much would overwhelm the palate.
Every morning at dawn, our secure logistics team ensures your precious commodity is transported with the utmost care and precision.
A delicate indulgence for you both.
Oh, it's absolutely exquisite.
Enjoy, my dear.
Experience the delicate pop, followed by the rich, buttery smoothness as the pearls melt, leaving a lingering taste of the ocean's finest luxury.
This is absolutely exquisite.
Oh, it truly is. The texture is divine.
The subtle salinity of the albino caviar finds its perfect counterpart in the crisp, chilled vodka.
Observe the visual appeal of this exquisite albino caviar, its shimmering translucence perfectly complementing the delicate, complex flavor within. Here, the centuries-old traditions of craftsmanship are meticulously preserved, enhanced by the precision of modern production.
The sequencing data confirms the stabilization agent is working as expected.
And the structural analysis shows no degradation at 98% humidity.
The water here is pristine, filtered to the highest standard, ensuring the health and vibrancy of this magnificent creature.
Authenticity is paramount. This certificate, with its embossed seals and meticulous detail, confirms the unparalleled quality.
And the final seconds are upon us. Look at the detail on that albino caviar. Time is up, chefs. Step away from your plates.
I've never tasted anything quite like this caviar. It's superb.
Absolutely. To an unforgettable evening.
Only the best for our viewers today. Look at the shimmer on that. I have never seen anything like this. It's truly exquisite.
This golden caviar offers a truly unique experience. The texture is incredibly delicate, melting on the tongue.
From ancient traditions to the height of modern luxury, the story of the sturgeon is one of enduring taste.
$100,000 for the albino caviar. Going fast now, ladies and gentlemen. Going once, going twice. Sold.
We need 3 more of the salmon. Expedite, please.
Heard, chef. Picking up the pace now.
From the rarest waters to your table, Kendall, this is how albino sturgeon caviar is made.